Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
And both sides make up the committee, both JLP and PNP persons make up the committee at the KCAMC. Both PNP and JLP members were on the tour with us, and everybody was appalled at some of the conditions that we saw. And I'm saying, we have been getting these bad results and nothing or recommendations have not been accepted, and that is why we decided to go public. And I'm saying it is unfair and it's disingenuous for anybody to come here now after the first that everything was fine, to now come and say that you have equal in your water and expect Jamaicans to just accept that. That is a very dangerous thing to say without giving us any context in terms of where it is. And I'm saying to you, not only did the Ministry of Health say that the water had in E. coli, NWC has already admitted, so it's not a case where we're trying to prosecute the matter. If NWC has admitted, and now the Ministry of Health is now coming clean and admitting, why is it that we're still debating that point in terms of whether or not the water is safe or not, when the NWC result is saying that the water has not met the public health standard, so it isn't safe? So why are we still debating the point of whether or not the water is safe? What we should be focusing on now is what needs to be done, the recommendations that were made in the resolution at the KCAMC to fix the problem. That is where we need to get to.
All right, so
and the problem is, I do not want, me personally, I do not want to be caught up in the political back and forth with anybody. I want the water issues to be fixed because there are infrastructural problems that need to be fixed for you to get better quality water. For example, filtration is not taking place. And I want to go back to your point that you made about the sampling. That is only way you can find out what is happening. Whether you're doing research or anything at all, is by taking a sample. For sure. If you want to find out what is in your body, you take a sample, whether it's a blood sample or whatever it is. And I'm saying that's the only way you're going to know what is there.
I take back the floor now to say to you.
Come on, you need to allow me to finish, man. You need to allow me to finish. And I'm saying to you, you cannot then say they took a sample. So that is not what is in the water. The sample is representative of what is in the water. I brought the results here and I showed you that both at source and distribution, they're having water that is not meeting the public health standard.
I take the floor from you
and
now
you
to say to you.
You refuse to accept that.
I take the floor now to say to you that you brought results, the most recent of which is February.
Yes, so you need
Today
to ask
is April. Today is April.
Yes.
And of course, NWC needs to be asked tough questions. But I say to you, if the most recent sample result you have is from February, how can you say in April that E. coli is in the water? You're talking about the present continuous when you use is.
Yes, but
so I'm saying, I'm asking the question, how can the statement E. coli is in the water based on a sample taken 2 months ago be accurate and be accepted? That's one. The other thing to consider is this. I did say that the NWC's prolific nature, I don't want to say fecundity, I'm trying to find a smaller term, the rate at which they send press releases talking about treatment plants being shut down. We know that treatment plants are shut down whenever there's an issue with water quality or there's an issue with turbidity, with put silt in the line, they bleed the line, whatever it is. You have said that no, even when they shut down the plants, it's not all the time that they deal with the water quality, and that bad water is still being distributed to the residents. That's a serious charge. So I'm just asking you again, if you're certain that bad water, even after the sample has shown that bad water is in the end, that bad water is still being sent to residents of Kingston and St. Andrew.
And what I want to say to you is that, first of all, NWC has admitted belatedly that residents were exposed to poor quality water that did not meet the public health standards. And I'm saying, at first, they denied this. The ministry also denied this. You might be late in asking for me to come on your program to do the interview, but that is what NWC says, and you're now saying that now in April I am saying this, and I'm saying that I'm not the one saying it.
No, man.
The Ministry of Health is now saying this in April,
based on February
that E. coli is in the water.
No,
I'm not the one saying it.
Well, here's the thing. I'm not accepting, and my public can choose whether they want to.
Yeah.
If based on a February sample, they'll accept something of the kind of E. coli is in the water in April based on a sample taken in
therefore,
February. I ask you this.
So the question that should be asked then is why is it that now, when we are in April, why is it now that the ministry is just telling us no that E. coli, they have samples that had E. coli in the water?
Guess what? What you're saying now, of course, is a matter of record.
Why is it now
what
that
you're
they're just
saying now is a matter of record.
And why is it that when I came out and I did say that the water has been contaminated based on the February and the January results, that they did not admit it at that point in time?
What you are saying
why
now,
did they admit that?
Is a matter of record that the NWC will have to answer to when they come here. They were to have come here this afternoon, but I didn't want to cut councillors' time short to give them space. So they'll have captive time. But let me ask you this, one of your recommendations. You said... So the recommendations... No, let me raise a point, please. One of the questions you posed, one of the points you made was that there needs to be greater investment in the water infrastructure to the extent that the facilities that you toured with your colleagues across the floor and you all accepted was in bad shape, that those can be resolved. And of course, the necessary things that need to be in place to test and treat the water are in place for the testing and the testing to be done properly and for the treatment to follow. But let me ask you this.
All right, so
it takes cash to care, you would agree. And you would know from your seat at the KSAMC that the KSAMC owes the NWC $151 million in unpaid water bills. So I ask, if the KSAMC, one of 14, 13 councils across the country, is in debt to the tune of billions to the KSAMC, to the NWC, where would the NWC get the money from to do the kind of investment that you speak of?
So first, let us go back to our recommendations. And the recommendations are not my recommendations or the People's National Party recommendations. These are recommendations from the Public Health and Sanitation Committee that is made up of both PNP and JLP members. So the JLP members also agreed with the recommendations that the NWC need to install filtering mechanisms at some of these treatment
answer the following question, I'm running out of time.
So we have asked NWC to install filtering mechanisms, and what I'm saying to Jamaica is that a lot of these sites, they can be fixed. The problem can be fixed with less than $1 million. And if it's a case where you want us, and we have a good relationship with NWC in terms of paying our bills, everybody knows that every government agency, there's not a single government agency that doesn't owe another agency money. That is the reason why we can get some things done in healthcare now. And just from a last minute.
I just want to let... out of time. No, I'm telling you that you're out of time. No, the newsreader is here.
I just want to let the public know.
Councillor, we have to finish now. We have to finish now.
CT scan machine or MRI machine.
We have to finish now. We have to finish now. We have to finish. The councillor has taken up his privileges and you can't...
Today what we have done, we have rolled out the refurbished Papine market. We have repositioned the garbage bay or put in a more secure environment so that outside persons can come and throw garbage in it. We have painted the place. We have washed down the area. We have fixed and refurbished also the sanitary convenience. And we have patched the area. We have created additional space because we have removed persons who normally vendor the road inside.
Everyone there's a pastor said, no, this are different. I want something different, man. Inside the market is wonderful. Mr. Swaybe done a lot for this market because I didn't know that this market would look like this, but where it's coming from.
I'm so impressed with what we saw this morning. We can't get over it. And I want to thank everybody who is responsible for doing this.
Right on the market road there, I see where the taxi bed are in a queue now. And what we're trying to do is facilitate easier access also to one of the premier hospital that we have. Because clearly it has been congested on the road. So we want to make sure that situation doesn't exist anymore.
From Papine market coverage, as you all can see, the prosperous and present feeling of the moment and the cosmic that flows around the environment at this moment. Here, Mr. Swaybe, make all things possible.
I call them paint up, clean up, everything. Them just take out everybody out the road, put them in the market, them have more freedom out there. So.
Jesus, a bright boy.
It's a development.
and that's what I appreciate about this. It's an encouragement to keep going, and I know a lot more will be coming.
A revelation. Oh, this will be war and frustration. A revelation. Oh, this will be.
Thus far, I like the aesthetic of the market. Inside is beautiful, it's clean and it's hygienic. And the market really is well developed in my opinion. We are proud to have been in partnership with the KSAMC.
I believe this is a Papine market. Me tell you, I'm glad to see time come for Papine market turning into something.
The environment is much cleaner. The smell is so, I would say, it is so refreshing so far. And the important of it is just to make sure that we maintain it. And we are putting in the structure in place, and the city inspector along with the CEO have been tasked with making sure that we have proper enforcement.
Oh, no, go on the first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office, on the things that we are novice, on the better listen to this. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly, cause when they win them a go dump way. Market G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we, because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do a wedding call the election. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. So we a tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them